In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create task automation in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a simple, reliable rule that saves time, keeps work moving, and reduces manual follow-ups. First, open the project you want to automate. Automations live at the project level, so make sure you're in the correct place before you start. If you collaborate with a team, confirm you have permission to customize the project, otherwise you won't see the options we need. Next, head to the top right and click the Customize button. This opens your project's settings panel. From there, choose rules. Think of rules as, if this happens, then do that. They're perfect for repetitive handoffs, status changes, and notifications that you don't want to manage manually. Click the plus add rule button and select create custom rule. Asana offers templates, but a custom rule gives you full control over the trigger and actions. This is helpful when your workflow has specific names for sections, fields, or review stages. Now define the trigger, the event that should start the automation. For this example, choose task moved to ready for review. This tells Asana to watch for tasks when they land in that specific section or column. If your project is in list view, it's the same idea. You're picking the exact section name. Be precise here because the trigger must match your project structure. If you've renamed a section, update the trigger so it still aligns. Next, define the action or actions you want Asana to perform. Set assign to supervisor so the right person becomes responsible the moment a task is ready. Then add another action to post a comment and write, please check this data. Comments are great because they create a visible trail and notify the assignee automatically. You can stack multiple actions in one rule, which keeps your process consistent without extra clicks. When everything looks good, publish the rule. Once you publish, the rule is live and will run whenever the trigger condition is met in this project. If you ever need to pause it, you can come back to the rules panel and toggle it off or edit the details. Keep in mind that overlapping rules can cause duplicate assignments or comments, so keep your automations focused and clearly named. That's it. You've built a clean, dependable automation in Asana that hands off work, adds context, and keeps your team aligned without manual effort.